and welcome to Kids News. We'll be taking a quick look at some interesting news from around the world for kids. Our first story today is from Doggo News. Did you know Madagascar is home to the world's second 3D printed school? Madagascar is a beautiful island country with a dire school shortage. A third of Madagascar children cannot attend school due to distance or overcrowding. In order to meet the demand, Thinking Hats, a non-profit, plans to address the issue with a series of 3D printed schools. The construction began with the printer pouring a cement-like mixture in a pattern to create the walls. The entire process took just 18 hours. The pilot project took 3 weeks from start to finish and cost $300,000. Maggie Groot, the 22-year-old founder of Thinking Hats, hoped to reduce the cost of future schools by raising funds to purchase a 3D printer. And of course, we here at St. Francis School wish her all the best on this very important mission.
Absolutely. Our second story today is from Kiwi Kids News. Giant African land snails have invaded an American town. These particular snails are big, slimy, and are causing a lot of trouble. It has been reported that more than 1,000 snails have been found in 20 homes already in Tampa, Florida. According to the Florida Department of Agriculture, these pests are actually giant African land snails. Keeping or transporting these snails is illegal in the United States due to their destructive nature. There are over 500 types of plants they can eat, and they can even eat plaster of buildings. The African land snail can lay up to 2,500 eggs a year, and they can grow up to 20 centimeters in length. I think I'll take our New Zealand wildlife any day. Well, that's all from us this time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time for another episode of Kids News.